In this video, we show you how to properly connect a battery charger. Please first check that the battery charger is suitable for your batteries. Furthermore, the batteries must not be damaged in any way. For example, they must not be leaking or swollen. In such cases, do not charge the battery under any circumstances. A few basic things first. When attaching the clamps, always connect the red positive terminal first, followed by the black negative terminal. When disconnecting, follow the exact reverse order. First remove the black negative terminal, then the red positive terminal. The clamps can be connected either directly to the battery or, if available, to special charging support points. For your safety, always wear safety goggles and acid-resistant gloves when working with batteries. We'll begin by connecting the clamps to the battery in the specified sequence. First, red, then black. And now, connect the battery charger to the power source. The battery charger allows you to cycle through 4 different modes with a short press of the mode button. 12-volt standard is suitable for lead-acid batteries, EFB batteries, and calcium batteries. 12-volt AGM is for AGM batteries. The winter mode is suitable for the cold season, for lead-acid batteries. And the 12-volt M setting is for smaller battery capacities, such as those found in motorcycles or lawnmowers. Additionally, there is the recont and the supply mode. To access these, you must press and hold the mode button for approximately 5 seconds. You can now switch between recont and supply by pressing the mode button once. The recont mode is intended for deeply discharged lead-acid batteries to restore their charge capacity, and it must only be used with batteries removed from the vehicle. In supply mode, the device provides a constant voltage supply of 12 volts, so no data in your vehicle's control units is lost. This naturally assumes that the device is connected before the battery is removed. The maximum charging duration is calculated by dividing the battery capacity by the charging current. In our example, we have 20 ampere hours. The charging current is 4 amperes, so 20 divided by 4 equals 5 hours. Larger batteries, like 100Ah, take much longer. Regarding the charging duration, it's crucial to note that in recon mode, the device is permitted to charge for up to 4 hours. Further information, especially on the recon mode, can be found in the user manual. Please protect the device from moisture and use it only in dry rooms. At the same time, ensure good ventilation so that highly explosive gases cannot accumulate. When disconnecting, please remember the order: black first, then red. You can find further information on our website.